What's up?
What it is? We are in the most smartest part of Dubai you can ever think of. What's it called?
Century of Bartram Street.
Rings.
You said that. It's funny.
Bartram Springs. And right now we're in their gym.
Bitch, we are in the clubhouse.
We're in their clubhouse. And they're the gym.
In their gym everywhere.
And we took like 720 pictures.
Went to the mall today.
Yes, and there's a lot of black people for a good 2 minutes. And they all just left.
They disappeared out of nowhere.
All of them.
Yup. Yeah. Getting no connection right now.
Yeah, so we're making videos because people here want to be stingy about their internet and want to put security lock on it, so I can't get on.
Oh, look at that ponytail.
Yes, that ponytail is kind of frizzy anyway. We might be going swimming later on.
We are.
What time's the pool close?
Never.
It's not fair. My pool closes at 9
Bro?
or 10.
Actually, I really don't know. I think it closes at 9. I don't know. I really don't. I know it doesn't. It doesn't.
I don't care.
Because the gym stays open for 24 hours.
I mean, the computer room don't.
Sure don't. They're probably afraid people will steal it. This little cute little boy. I don't know if she's staring at me. You silly girl. Silly girl. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. She's gay.
Yeah, I'm not gay. Make me laugh.
Give a little bit.
And you
Give a little bit of your love
to me, baby. Ain't it a Jesus song? She's so ugly. JK, love her.
I can hear you.
Oh, crying out for me. Are you crying? Me.
That's really pretty, Bree. Just keep it upside down. But that's really pretty picture.
I'll keep it upside down.
No, I like it.
Thank you. So cute.
That's really cute. That's really cute. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's really cute.
You want to see it? We got to show them. Let me.
It's so cute.
So cute. Oh, so cute. That's
Alright.
me. That is me. Oh, it's so cute.
No, that's cute. Hey, this one's cute.
It's so ugly, it's blurring it out.
It's me picking a wedgie. Can't really see it.
Because she's so dark.
Not you. Not you. Oh, don't smell that breath. That's some pretzels and some cheese fries.
Cheese sticks. I mean fries.
Oh, especially that
Monster and I had lemonade.
Tear it up.
And this hard gum that I almost broke my tooth on. Well, we don't want to make this video too long, so we're
We're gone.
gonna leave
We're
now.
gone.
We're gone.
This is the short video.
I know.